everyone. Thanks so much for joining me. Stampin' Sue Creates here. I am independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and I'm here to do my holiday catalog unboxing. It seems like this took forever to come, but you know what happens? When we get notification from Stampin' Up that, and there goes my dog, that we can, that we can pre-order from a new upcoming catalog, it's just crazy. It's think of like thousands of people wanting to order new products at one time. Yeah, but I have to say, you know, it's worth the wait. Shall I say that? So, let's get a look and see. So if you don't want to see anything from the holiday catalog, you might not want to watch this, or you might want to put this as a favorite and go back and see it later. So I'm just giving you a little heads up there right now before I ruin the surprise. So, probably going to have to remove some of this box at least, and because it doesn't even fit underneath there. So let me here is a look at the goodies. Whoop. Yeah, it's blocking my light a little bit. So let me move it to the side, and then I'll take out everything one by one so we can see. Okay. It looks like Aurora decided she was just going to come up here and see what the heck was going on up here. All right. So, oh, I didn't know I ordered wood. Oh well. It is what it is. So let's start off a brand new bundle. Let me take this out of here so you can see. A brand new bundle, and I really didn't mean to order the wood, but I must have. In my excitement, I did. So, and you know what? I'm going to kill that light because I think that light kills everything. Alright, so I hope this light is better from when I did that Dollar Tree haul. This is a brand new bundle coming out, and although I don't really get a whole lot of stuff for Halloween, but I thought I had to get something, right? And I love Stampin' Up's punches, so this is going to be a new bundle, Spooky Sweets, and there is a new punch. And I'm just seeing other things with this back punch that can be used for other things. So you can stamp your little bats, and then you can punch them out. And look at this little grungy background. No tricks, just treats. Happy Halloween and Spooky Sweets. So that's going to be a lot of fun to work with. Alright, trying to maybe get some things out of here that kind of make a little sense. Oh, let's stick with the Halloween. Look at new DSP. And there is a stamp set, and there are thinlets or framelets. I get those two mixed up to go along with it. And from what I've been hearing, they will cut out the paper too. But I have a Brother Scanning Cut, so I'm thinking of utilizing that because the die for the witch only cuts out one of them. I'm not really sure which one it is, but look at how cute those, let me move you over, those witches are. And on the back here we have some black cats, 12 by 12 in size. Look at those cute little ghosts. Aren't they adorable? And a little stripe on the other side. And they have, I don't know if it's showing up, but they're kind of gray, and some of them have that purple hue to them. So that'll be fun. And you can't do Halloween without pumpkins. How cute they are. And the witches' brooms. And then look at the cauldrons. And some of them have little cats, little spiders, some stripes. That's going to be fun to cut apart. And of course some polka dots. Look at the hats. Aren't they cute? The Scan and Cut will do a great job in cutting those out. And if you don't know what that is, it's an expensive pair of scissors, basically. An electronic cutting device. And you know what? I bet these bats will cut out with this punch some of these bats on this paper. Oh my goodness, look at these are little frogs. Oh, I love that. And some stars. And that's that. So this is DSP paper called Toil and Trouble, Designer Series paper. So how cute are they? Alright, I'm going to put a little pile over there, and I hope there's not going to be an avalanche. Okay, sometimes you just gotta. I probably needed like a little something extra to throw in my order, so Stampin' Dimensionals. But you know, you just gotta. All right. Let's see what else. I have Toils and Trouble cardstock pack, and this goes with this paper. There's 3 different colors, and it looks like is it pumpkin pie? Hold on, pumpkin pie, granny apple green, and basic black. So when you go and buy a pack of our DSP, on the same page in the catalog, even in the annual catalog, they have cardstock pack. So if you're going to get the DSP, get the cardstock pack, and then you're set, because you have colors that all color coordinate together. Takes the guesswork out of what color should I get. All right, let's see. Okay, we'll still stick to Halloween, and let me see if I can get the ribbon out without cutting the cello, because I found that was, oh, here it is. I found if you leave this little plastic on here and just kind of peel out your ribbon, it helps it from unraveling all over the place. But look at this ribbon. It's all shiny, sparkly. This is the glittered organdy ribbon? Okay, that's what it says. Glitter organdy ribbon. And how fun that's going to be with our bats and our witches. All right. Well, we have something else that goes with the Halloween set. These are some little spider trinkets. And look at these. Can you see them? They have little rings on them. Little spider. I'll try to hold it up so you can see them. Little trinkets. And I love that they have the little jump ring on them. You could even make little earrings out of these. They're going to be fun to work with, to go with our Halloween stamping projects. All right. I think that's it for the Halloween. All right. Let me share this with you. This is something that's brand new. You're going to love this. This is called Take Your Pick. Let me get the official terminology. Take Your Pick. It is a little tool. Here's the instructions. And this has a little putty in there, so it helps you to pick things up. There's a little chisel on this side, so when you know those rhinestones and pearls, when you want to get them off, that will help get them off. And when you pull this out, and you can flip this around, this is like a tool all in one. Here's a little paper piercing tool. Okay. And here on the other end, this is where the little putty one is. I have to play with this. Here's well, let's get this out first. Here's a little, what do you call these things? To do the scoring with, score tools. There's a thicker one and a thinner one. And then they also give you a little putty refill. Does this just come off? Maybe just, no, it doesn't screw off. Well, I have to play with it and find out. But this has a little putty on the end anyhow. And we'll have to play with that and we'll figure out how that all goes. And then this is Take Your Pick putty refill. So when the putty runs out, they give you a spare one. But this is a refill for the putty. There's 2 of them in there. That light isn't no good either. I have to go back to different lighting. Okay, so that's going to be fun to play with, and I'll do a video on that once I sit and play with it, figure out how it all works. But I know that's going to be fun. Okay, now, well, I'm thinking the rest may be Christmas related. So here we have a pack of Santa's Workshop Memories and More cards and envelopes, and you get 20 of each. So you have standard size and you have like note card size. And this coordinates with our Santa's Workshop Memories and More card pack. And you may be seeing this at an upcoming event. That's all I'm going to say. All I'm going to say. So this whole Santa's Workshop has a whole variety of products that all work together. So let's see. Okay, so the inside of the cards is white. And this is a size, oh, these are a little bit bigger than normal. They're 6 1/4 by 4 1/4 for that size. And there's envelopes as well. And then here's a little smaller size. And that size is 4 1/4 by 3 1/4. So aren't they fun? And this is in the Poppy Parade. So that's the color that that's in. Now this is the Santa's Workshop Memories and More card pack. And all I'm going to say is you may be seeing both of these, I can't get them out, at an upcoming event. Now the Memories and More is kind of like, you know, used to be our Project Life thing. But we don't do Project Life anymore. Stampin' Up, yeah, I can't even get this open. Stampin' Up has their own, good heavens, has their own product line. See, I should have my paper snips here, but I don't. Let me try this pack. But these are little cards. What is wrong with me today? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm just so excited to open these. And look at these little card designs. These are 4 by 6. And there's all sorts of little designs, fun little cards, official seal of the North Pole. You get 2 of each design. Look at here's some self-adhesive stickers. You get a couple sheets of those. Oh, and look at this one. It has the glitter on it. So you only get 1 of those, and this one has glitter on it as well. And this one, how stunning is that? And, oh, that has glitter too on the little elves and on the tree. And look at how cute these are. That one with the glitter as well. And little Santa. And when you flip them over, now the glitter ones don't have, and these are the stickers, so they don't have a backing to them. But all the other ones do. All kind of designs. And I'm just going to say, wouldn't these be cute to make cards? And oh, and here's even, if you like to do the countdown to Christmas or a little advent calendar, you can do that. And then there's 2 other card packs to go along with that. So these are just going to be so much fun. And definitely something you're going to want to add to your list. Let me just put them aside because I only have a couple minutes left. And this is black foil sheets. So this goes in along with the Halloween. Let's just take a peek at those. Oh, look at that. Black foil. They're going to be fun. And then we have some more DSP. And Festive Farmhouse. I got 2 packs of that paper. And this is the cardstock packs again. And I have some Festive Farmhouse cotton twine. Nice colors. And here is some burlap ribbon. This is striped burlap ribbon. What's the terminology? Striped burlap trim. How cute is that? Look how great that goes with the paper. Excuse me. And I also have All Is Bright cardstock pack that goes with the All Is Bright paper. And then I have 2 of the new Stampin' blends. These are in the basic black. So we didn't have a black before. Well, now we do. And I'm not going to be able to open this paper and show you because I'm running out of time. But this one is the Festive Farmhouse DSP. So it all coordinates. Look at that. Love this paper. And then look at this one. This one is called All Is Bright DSP. And quickly show you this paper. These are actually taken from live photographs, this page here, and I believe there's another one in here, little stock